control power.
Okay.
So when we sell the machine, you can connect, or maybe you can connect solar, but you need a regulator.
Yeah.
Because without this regulator, it can burn the machine.
That's true.
So we build it here. We can show you. So this box we make it here. We import this item. Some we buy locally, but some sensitive item we buy from Germany. Then we build it here. Our people build the whole unit.
Very good. Hello. Mutia. Whoever is scholar. What did you study? Electrical engineering. From where? From where? School. And you? Friend. And your name? Where did you come? Uganda.
Yes.
And you? Who? Again, David. You're also from Central.
No.
Where?
Khoder.
From Soga. That's very good. Thank you very much. I'm happy that you're now doing something that you study. From your classwork to practical work. This is good. Congratulations. Do you know my name? What? You don't know? He knows. What's my name? Thank you. You're missing on Anite people. Very good. Thank you very much. Best of luck.
So this is an alternator. This is for the generator. You know the generator has two components, alternator and engine. We put them together and we make the canopy and the electric power. So Mr. Abdullah, he has the section, he has like 5 people and some people in the field.
You are brought them to the sensitive part of it.
Part of the state house. They can make this machine for the cattle corridor from the industrial hub which is in Barara.
Yeah.
Now let us test it, please. خلينا تايبت. لا تايبت تست. Guys, please capture this machine. This machine called capture. You have to test After it's finished, we put our column, then we install the iron brick and the solar on the top. And we keep the...
Very good.
So we're also putting our waiting space. No, but when we got the scrap, nothing was around, but now there is no space.
I told you.
Investor has built...
Yes. Nammanve is government of Uganda. I am so proud of Nammanve. Because when I got appointed in 2016, there were only 15 factories in Nammanve.
Now you
Now
don't
we
have
have
an
487.
You don't have a
I'm
place
just
in Nammanve.
excited that at least in my lifetime I've worked for my country. For me to come to Nammanve Industrial Park to see what Mohammed, my friend here, has done in Nammanve Industrial Park. I mean, every time I come to Nammanve, I just flash back on the day that I was appointed as the Minister of Industry, where there were only 15 factories in this place, and today we are talking about 489 factories in Nammanve. But that is not the only exciting news. It is the type of factory, from fabrication to now assembly to actually making it here. And so Mohammed has made me proud because he has selected the products that are Ugandan needs. He has studied the market and realized that we actually have a lot of maize. You all know that we sometimes have bumper harvest of maize in this country. And as such, the way we process the maize is not so good that we get accused by neighboring countries of aflatoxins and many other contamination that comes in contact with our maize. But what he has brought, the maize, called the maize mills, and then the maize hala for cleaning the maize, and he's even making generators. I mean, agriculture being the backbone of Uganda. We are having to manufacture tractors in Uganda. This is an amazing thing. He's fabricating all the other components here. The only important components are the tires. And by the way, we're even having now a tire manufacturing plant in Uganda. So we're going to be having our tractors here, maize haulers here, milk coolers here, and we are also having generators. Just right behind me is a generator that has been made by them. So I'm very excited, and I congratulate the Honorary Council of Lebanon to Uganda, Ambassador Mohammed, for the good work he has done, and also just not only venturing in manufacturing, but also venturing in hospitality, in industry. He's providing foods in the East African, Middle East restaurants, and he's now having a chain of them. So he's a businessman who is not only here to make profit, but he's also creating jobs. He's created just in this factory 100 jobs for 100 people. And on top of that, he's paying taxes. On top of that, he's paying electricity bills, he's paying water bills, and he's expanding. And he's reinvesting his profit back in our country. So Mohammed, congratulations. I'm very proud of you. Very deliberate these days. We have given them clear as sector. Like unique sector that he's in. Assembling tractors, making generators. This is not common. And milk coolers. So this is very unique. We don't want them to also come in and do what the ordinary banna can do. We expect them to do knowledge transfer. I'm happy that he has brought a team from Lebanon to come and train the Ugandans, and I'm very happy with him. He kept on saying as we were touring, let the Ugandans do. Let the Ugandans show to us that she or he can make the product. That's a very good thing, meaning that he's doing knowledge and skill transfer, and I am very proud of him for that. They should reinvest their profit. No, because Uganda has been declared as the best investment destination in Africa. So where are you taking your money? Why should you come and make money in Uganda and then you repatriate it to another place? My people say that if I give you good luck and you go and try it somewhere else, you're going to run, the luck that you got from my home will run away. So I want to tell them that the luck that you got for making money in Uganda, the best way to grow your money even bigger is by investing it in Uganda. My call to all investors is, as we give you all these incentives, tax incentives, land, when you have grown, give jobs to Ugandans, reinvest your profit in this country, but most importantly, pay taxes. Out there, I want to encourage them to move away from the sectors of economy that cannot give them money. You come to value addition, manufacturing products, machine making products, like how Nammanve is doing. Because we have the opportunities here. He came all the way from Lebanon and just studied and learned what we are lacking, and he came and tapped there. Now we are seeing that there is need. I'm here to see. But do you know what is happening? We're importing it from Kenya. So that is a business opportunity. We don't have to wait for that to come from Kenya. We don't have to wait for textiles to come from Kenya when we have our cotton to come from China. We don't have to wait. Just look at fast-moving products. Stop building those arcades, rental units. Those ones, in a month, you can fetch like 500,000 in a month, those rental units. And yet you spend a lot of money, brick, mortar, and cement to build it, and return on investment is low. My advice to Ugandan investors is let's go in areas where return on investment is high. You can imagine whatever he's making, the milk coolers, Ministry of Agriculture is buying it on spot. The tractors, Ministry of Agriculture is buying it on spot. And local government. Now, I am proud of some Ugandans who have gone to Ministry of Health and understood that all our drugs are being imported. Now they've gone into manufacturing. Like the guy we opened, the president just opened last week, here in Nammanve. He's a Ugandan. He just understood that why should we continue importing drugs why don't I also come and manufacture the drugs? So behind him here, there's manufacturing. Behind us here, there's manufacturing of drugs, over 16 different components of different pharmaceutical products being produced in Uganda by Uganda. So I want to say that the opportunities are here. Ugandans seize the opportunity. Start making these products here.
Thank you. Receive Honorable Evelyn Anite, Minister of State of Investment in our facility in Nammanve. Staunch Machinery in Uganda has made the first factory in Uganda and East Africa to manufacture agricultural equipment from milk cooler, tractors, maize mill, maize huller, value addition machine. I would like here, before I tell you about Staunch more, I would like to thank our President, His Excellency General Yuri Kaguta Museveni, for all his help. And I would like also to thank Honorable Evelyn Anite. From the day when we got the land to start our factory, I've been going to her office. She met me many times, even when she's having her lunch. I'm not just, this is the truth. Everyone goes to Honorable Evelyn. He knows since she's in her office, she works even up to late. I want really to thank her. This factory is here because of our president, because of Honorable Anite and other people in the cabinet. As an investor, I moved from Lebanon and I came to Uganda for many reasons. I want to, as a honorary consul of Uganda to Lebanon, I want to call all investors from Lebanon and around the world to come to Uganda. If you see now on the news, every day we hear two countries fighting. But you see Uganda is peace and safe. This thing cannot happen if we don't have a president like our president, His Excellency General Yuri Kaguta Museveni. He has made peace. When I move, I see some people say we are tired of peace. Please, I have come from a country where there is war. Don't be tired of peace. We must put all our effort to maintain a peaceful Uganda. I want also to say something at the end. We need some discussion more with Honorable Anite to see how to really take this factory to another level. Where we have reached is a big achievement, and I know we are going to achieve more. This factory you see here is exporting items to Kenya, Rwanda, Tanzania, Burundi, and South Sudan. And even we are going to export to Australia and Europe from Uganda. So I want to thank all of you.
So how much have you so far invested in the plant?
This factory, our total investment is 25 million, but we have invested so far $7.5 million. But as you see, by the next 3 years, we are going to reach around $20 to $25 million. Yes.
How can farmers down there?
We have 2 showrooms in Kampala, and we are opening 2 more showrooms in the cattle corridor, because most of our machines target the cattle corridor, from milk cooler to machine you saw, shaft cutter to prepare food for cows. And the good thing, when we manufacture in Uganda, the cost of the machine become half. Because, truth to be said, we have benefited a lot from the incentive the government has made in Uganda. And as the Honorable Anite is here, I've visited her office in 2 years, more than 45 times. I visited her office to ask for things and for her to give me guidance. I want to thank her, and I thank everyone in the Ministry of Investment for all their guidance. Thank you. Yes.
And of these, Ugandans are how many?
Us, we have a group. I'm one of the owner of Staunch and the director, but our business group, the total employee is 700 people. We are in food industry. If you know Middle East restaurant, we have an distribution, and we have a Staunch Machinery. The total employee is 700, but here currently we are employing 100. Yes.
Thank you.
Of Uganda to Lebanon, so Mohammed here. I've discussed with him, and we have agreed that we need to increase the number of Lebanese investors. And I'm happy that he's been making back and forth between Uganda and Lebanon to make sure that we get many Lebanese. This is a very important component. What makes Uganda the best investment destination is the fact that we have peace and stability. So I want to thank our Honorary Council of Uganda to Lebanon. Continue doing the good job. I know that our president is very proud of the fact that he gave you the title of Uganda's Honorary Council to Lebanon, and thank you for the good work you've done.